We will need to download the Arduino app. We can get that through the Arduino website for free in the downloads column, or we can also download it through the Windows Program Manager. After we've installed it, you will be greeted by a screen similar to this one. And before we get started, we'll need to go to Preferences and enter a library category. The link will be in the links below this video if you need it. And you just paste it into that area. After that, we go over, and this is why we have the library installed. If you go to the Arduino boards, Attiny is not listed as a candidate for the Arduino app. So because we added that link, if we go to install the Attiny, you'll see there's one application available. You install it, and now you'll have a selection of Attiny boards to install. So now let's go back and take a look at that board selection one more time. You see now we have two columns, the original Arduino boards and the Attinys. The Attiny 85 is what we'll be using for this. Next, we will select our Arduino as an ISP. That loads this script that's already made up, and you simply upload this to an Arduino that's not connected to anything at all, just a blank Arduino. You'll have it set up just like you do for a normal Arduino. The board selection will be for an Arduino UNO, and you'll have it set up for the standard Arduino ISP provider. After that, we're going to open a Blink app, just as an example. So we select Blink. We're going to open that in a second window. So you can see the side-by-side comparison. On the Blink app, we're going to select a different pin than what Arduino Sketch has it set up for. We're going to set it to pin A3, which is technically pin 2 on the Arduino, and we're going to select all these settings for the A3 pin. That's analog 3. After we do this, we select the board as the Attiny 85. So we select the 85. We'll go back and select the Attiny 85 right here. Then we'll select the 1 megahertz clock, which is already selected, and we'll put the Arduino as an ISP right there. Next, we'll need to do the wiring.